My name is Brett Paxton. My background's in molecular biology, and I worked as a molecular biologist, and now I'm looking to transition into drug development. I wanted to find a way to apply my scientific background in another area, and found drug development to be a field I was really interested in because I could apply that background. But I didn't really have the experience to break into that field, so I wanted to do this program to kind of get an introduction to that. Right now, I'm looking to pursue a career in either regulatory affairs or clinical operations. So I'm looking at being a CRA or a regulatory associate. A particular class that impacted my career trajectory was Dr. Momper's class in regulatory submissions and strategy in the fall quarter. That was a really interesting class, and that put regulatory kind of on the radar for me. And Dr. Ma's class in clinical development in the winter quarter was very interesting. I think the way the curriculum was set up, where you can learn the whole breadth of the drug development process, was really interesting because coming from outside that space, it was helpful to learn more about just everything and how it all relates and focus in on what I was really interested in. During this program, my presentation skills have been much, much better going from fall quarter all the way through winter quarter. Just getting a feel for it and getting used to presenting in front of people was really great. Also, networking just with the other students in the program, people were more than happy to give references to positions in their companies. If someone was considering the DDPM program, I would say for me, it provided a lot of value, especially for the length of time that it was, and I would recommend at least considering it. Early on, be proactive about reaching out to people and networking, because it took me a little bit to become comfortable with that over the course of the program. So if I could go back and maybe ask people for some just conversations or things like that, that's what I would do. I would say that DDPM exceeded my expectations because I learned so much more than I ever thought I would.